Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how you can make money with Chat GPT and Canva. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this. I'm going to walk through exactly what you can actually do and how you can then go and make money by repeating exactly what I'm going to show you. So without further ado, let's jump across to the desktop and go through how you can make money with Chat GPT and Canva. Okay, so the first thing we do is obviously load the Chat GPT, which is what we've got here. If you want to get the Chat GTP, this is the link you go to. It's chat.openai.com/chat. And I'm only using the free version of Chat GTP here. There is a plus version, which is new, and you can upgrade. If you wanted to use it continuously, then all you got to do is obviously upgrade here, and it's only a few bucks a month to upgrade. Now, what we've got to do here is, so we've got to tell Chat GPT what we want it to actually go and do. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go and create some images that we can post on social media. And I'm going to show you where you can actually get paid to do this at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned. But now let's just quickly run through and show you how easy it is using this and the Canva to do just this. So we're going to write here. So I've written here, please create 10 short success quotes for business owners. And then we just literally click the arrow here. And this is, it will just do it will literally just start to actually create those quotes for you. And as you can see, I'm only done 10, purely and simply for the quickness on this video. So it will soon be done. We're already on number 8. And there we go. There is the last one. Okay, so how simple is that? So you've now got 10 quotes all about success that you could actually use on social media. Now what we need to do is we need to open Google Sheets. Okay, so we come across to Google Sheets, so we can then just put a title. So we could say success quotes, and then in the first column here, we just want to put quotes, and then we click in the box underneath. And then all we do is we come back across to the Chat GPT, and then we highlight the 10 quotes. And we copy those, come back across to Google Sheets, and then we paste them in the sheets. So there we go. We've got our 10 quotes. And now what we've got to do now is you literally go to File, go to Download. We want to download it as a CSV file. So that is downloading now. So that's done. So all we now need to do is go across to Canva. And if you haven't got Canva, again, Canva is free. They have got a small paid version as well. And if you were doing lots of this stuff, then you could obviously get the paid version. So it's only, again, another like 10 bucks a month. So I've come in here. I want to just search templates, social media and Facebook posts, which is what we're going to create. We're going to create some Facebook posts, and then you will come up with different templates. Now I've used this template here, and I've just changed it slightly. I've put my own web address in here. We could change this from daily quote to success quote. Okay, and then all we've got to do is we highlight where we're going to want the quote to be. And if we come down here where it says bulk create, so we click on bulk create, and it says upload CSV file. So we then go and grab our CSV file. So our CSV file is there now. And then what we want to do is when we highlight it, then we've got the 3 buttons here for more. So we click on that, and we want to connect data. And it says here quotes. So we've always got that loaded. So we just click on that. So we press continue. There's all our quotes loaded in. And we want to obviously select all, which is what we've done. We just need to reduce that down. So we've now got our quotes there. And then all we need to do then is just create the pages. And there we go. We've got our success quotes there, all ready to go and post onto our Facebook page. And of course, you could do 365 of these, so you'd have a quote for every single day. And all you now need to do is literally go over to the share button and click on the download. And then you can download all 10 pages and then we'll be ready to post onto your social media. Now, how you actually make money from this, we're going to go over to a site called Fiverr. Now, there are other sites as well, but Fiverr is probably one of the most well-known ones, and this is basically a freelance website. And as you can see here, I've come onto Fiverr and I've come onto the service options, and it says here, I will create content for your social media accounts monthly. Okay. Now, this person has had 275 gigs, and she's charging upwards starting from £375. So that's probably about $420. So if she was to turn around and have half a dozen clients, she could earn a full-time living at this. So it's definitely an easy side hustle that you could go and do. And of course, there's other things you could do as well as social media posts. You could do other things in here as well. You could create journals. You can create loads of different things with Chat GPT that you could obviously sell on Fiverr. So that's how easy it is to use Chat GPT and Canva to go and make money as a freelancer. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.